So for the 12 volt auxiliary on a Club Car Precedent that does not have a DC-DC converter built in, you're doing a lithium installation, what you're gonna look for is this wire harness. You're gonna see this black cable with a bullet connector going to a black cable that goes to the controller. And what you're gonna do is separate that from the bullet, put on a spade connector. This is gonna be the negative 12 volt. This blue one's gonna be the positive 12 volt. You can tell because it has a fuse link right here, so it's gonna be the hot. So what we're gonna do is put in a DC to DC converter. This will be the 12 volt for the headlights and turn signal. There's the 48 volt or 51 volt to 12 volt DC to DC. So we're gonna make the, we're gonna put in the wires to input from the battery. Is this the input?
No, this is the input right here.
There you go. The skinny guys, the small red and black, are the input for the 51 volts in, and then yellow and black are 12 volts out. Okay, all right, a little housekeeping. So you can see now the DC reducer buck converter is installed. So we'll go through the cables again. The yellow and black, the very thick yellow and black, are the 12 volt. The yellow is positive, the black is negative. The yellow is connected to this blue wire with the fuse link. This is our 12 volt for the headlights and turn signals. The black is going to the black cable that came out of the harness. Okay, that black cable. That's black cable, you'll know it because it used to be connected with a bullet connector to this black cable going back to the controller. So this is the 12 volt negative for the headlights and turn signals. In this case, this card has a street legal. And this blue one is the positive for the turn signals and headlights. And they're being now fed from the buck converter, and the buck converter is being fed from the negative and positive of the battery. And this buck converter has a key switch wire, but because the battery has an on-off button, we don't necessarily need to use the key switch. So we took the key switch wire and we coupled it with the positive cable. And so now the key switch is positive terminal, and I hope that helps.